Англи хэлний ярианы хэллэг 3. Өнөөдөр бүгдээрээ хоол захиалгатай хэрэглэж болох хэллэгүүдийг харцгаая. 1. Зөөгчийг дуудах. Excuse me, could we see the menu, please? Excuse me, could we see the menu, please? Hi, we're ready to order. Hi, we're ready to order. 2. Менютэй холбоотой зүйл асуух. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What's today's special? What's today's special? 3. Хоолоо захиалах. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Can I get the pasta? Can I get the pasta? I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a coffee, please. 4. Тооцоогоо авах. Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please? We'd like to pay, please. We'd like to pay, please. За дараагийн эмчилгээр уулзцаая. Баяр таа.